Good afternoon, dear students. This is Komal Yadav from Upright Classes, and today we are going to just proceed our previous lecture only on the topic trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So this is the next questions that we have to evaluate this question. 2 sine square 63 plus 1 plus 2 sine square 27 upon 3 cos square 17 minus 2 plus 3 cos square 73. See, here angles 63 and 27 both form complementary angles. Okay, as I have already told that the angles whose sum is 90 degree, they are called complementary angles. So here 63 and 27 दोनों के दोनों complementary angles form कर रहे हैं. Okay, तो हम इसको कैसे evaluate करेंगे? 2 sin square 63 plus 2 sin square 27 plus 1, ठीक है, अपॉन 3 cos square 17 plus 3 cos square 73 minus 2. Okay, now taking 2 common, sin square 63 plus sin square 27 plus 1 upon 3 cos square 17 plus cos square 73 minus 2. Okay, as you already know that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Okay, so here you can write sin square 63 as 90 minus 27, okay, plus sin square 27 plus 1. In the same way you can write cos square 17. You can easily write 17 as 90 minus 73, as these 17 and 73 both form complementary angles. Okay, minus 2. From this formula, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Here sin square 90 minus 27, theta is 27 here, so you can write it as cos square 27 degree. 2 cos square 27 plus sin square 27 plus 1 upon 3. This cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, so this cos square 90 minus theta will be equal to sin square 73 plus cos square 73 minus 2. Okay, I have already told you that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and here they form this identity. Cos square theta, here theta is 27, and sin square theta, here also theta is 27, so this whole form 1. In the same way, sin square 73 plus cos square 73, this will be also equal to 1. So you can write it as 2 into 1 plus 1 upon 3 into 1 minus 2, which is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2, 3 upon 1. So the answer of this question is 3. This is the answer. Now let's see our next question. Hope you all have understood this question. Our next question is, if sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 10 degree cos a minus 10 degree. Okay, where 3a is an acute angle, where 3a is equal to acute angle, and you need to find the value of angle A. Okay, find the value of angle A. Okay, so write it as sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 10. Okay, हमें ऑलरेडी पता है कि sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So here you can write 3a as cos 90 minus 3a. From this formula, cos 90 minus 3a will be equal to sin 3a. Okay, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. इस फॉर्मूला के अकॉर्डिंग ये हम sin 3a को cos 90 minus 3a लिख सकते हैं. Similarly, cos a minus 10. On equating cos theta, you will get 90 minus 3a is equal to a minus 10. On solving this equation, you will get 90 minus 90 plus 10 is equal to 3a plus a, which is equal to 4a, and here it will be 100. A is equal to 25 degree. Okay. Hope you all have understood this question. Now there is another question in which if ABC and C are the angles of a triangle, and you need to prove sin B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Okay, now how will you prove this question? As you already know, this A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of triangle. Okay, and B plus C will be equal to, if you just do half of all this, this is equal to 90 degree, and B plus C whole by 2 plus A by 2 is equal to 90. You can write it as B plus C upon 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Okay, so from this you will get sin B plus C on taking LHS of this question, sin B plus C upon 2. You can write sin B plus C as cos 90 minus what? Cos 90 minus B plus C upon 2. Yes, of course you can write it as this, and you already know that B plus C, this B plus C is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Okay, but you will not put this equation here. If you put this equation, you will not get the sin A by 2, cos A by 2. तो आप क्या करेंगे? सिंपली आप ऐसा करिए, इसकी जगह पर हम इसको अगर पुट कर दें तो आपके पास आ जाएगा cos 90 माइनस थीटा आपका क्या हो जाता है साइन थीटा, जो कि ऑलरेडी इक्वल है साइन b प्लस सी बाई टू के, और b प्लस सी बाई टू आपका किसके इक्वल होता है 90 माइनस a बाई टू के। यहाँ पर आप डायरेक्टली सीधे लिख दें 90 माइनस a बाई टू साइन की जगह पर, और साइन 90 माइनस थीटा आपका किसके इक्वल होता है cos a बाई टू के। ये फ्रॉम 1 है। Sin b plus c upon 2, from equation 1 we got 90 minus a by 2, okay, and we already know that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, so from that equation we got cos a by 2, and which is equal to RHS, hence proved. Question: if a and b are acute angles and sin A is equal to cos B, and you need to prove A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so how will you prove this question? As it is already given, sin A is equal to cos B. Okay, so you can write it as sin 90 minus cos 90 minus A is equal to cos B, as cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. From this identity we got this cos 90 minus A will be equal to sin A. Okay, now on equating cos, you will get 90 minus A is equal to B. इस माइनस ए को अगर हम राइट हैंड साइड ले जाएं तो ये हमारा इसके ऊपर हो जाएगा a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री, और यू कैन राइट इट एज a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री, हेंस proved. Okay, now let's take a last question of this lecture. This will be your last lecture, last question. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 21 degree, where A is your acute angle, okay, and you need to find the value of A. How will you solve this question? Let's write tan 2a is equal to cot A minus 21. Okay, now if you write cot 90 minus theta is equal to, you know this, we already know this, that cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, so you can write cot 90 minus 2a instead of tan 2a. Yes, of course you can write it as this. Now on equating cot ratio, you will get 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 21. On solving this equation, you will get 90 plus 21 is equal to 2a plus a, which is equal to 3a, and here you will get 37. A is equal to 37 degree. Hope you all have got this question. This was the last question of this lecture, and tomorrow we'll start our next topic, that is trigonometric identities. I hope you all have understood all the types of questions whichever I have told you. और जो भी इस वीडियो में फॉल्ट्स आए प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स पे कमेंट करें, और अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।